Okay guys, so I'm still here. Just been working my ass off to buy toys, right? Because this summer is going to be different. So what we got here is a new toy. So been stripping off this it's an old cutter, 14-foot runabout. It's got somebody painted it with house paint, so I'm just getting that off. Using me new, what I've been working my butt off for is DeWalt tools. This thing, cat's ass. You guys do any sanding, you gotta go cordless. Trust me. Yeah, gotta get it. But yeah. So this is her. Come with a spare shit box. It does run, but it's got an old Chrysler 45. Seats are junk. Floor is solid. They did recarpet it, and I'm guessing this will come up. But if not, I'm just gonna strip it and gut it. Got a new seat. Got another one on the way. These are Wise mid-back charcoal gray. So they're gonna go there, build some boxes for it, and then in the back, probably a forward-facing bench seat. I've done a boat before. I wish I had pictures I could show you, but I did a boat before, and the guy was really happy. It was a good buddy of mine. He bought this 17-foot Grue, I think it was. We gutted the interior, put new carpet down, built new boxes, put forward-facing seats. Got a 1988 Ford F-150 extended cab. The old 88 Fords with the slot in the rear side window. But it had vinyl bench seats, red, same color as the seats we put in the front. We had that right across the back. It looked like it belonged. It was beautiful. So this is my new toy. I hope to have this out on the water in probably 2 weeks. Just going to be doing the top. So I'm going to strip all this off. I still got to take the windshield off. It's got a crack here. And that's a scrape. But it's got a crack here, so we're going to bend a new windshield. I'm going to buy some plexiglass and take this one out. I'll get some parchment paper, cut out the design, and then cut out of the new, and then just use a heat gun and do all that, because like, she's pretty old, this one, but it'll still work. It's no big deal. I don't have to do it. I could just shine this one up, but I don't know. I want to make this thing kind of new again. I got it really cheap, just had to go far to get it. So I got my Sailboat, I got this one, and I got my other little one. Oh, Paul Honda. He's probably out front waiting for me. He just didn't notice I was already out back. Oh, he must have went. I just seen the front end literally come this far and then back up. But he's calling me. But anyway, but yeah, you guys want a good, absolutely awesome sander, get one of these new brushless DeWalt's, speed control, just amazing. I do have a like the 5 amp hour is a little too big for this, but I only have one 2 amp hour and it's on charge right now. But this thing is awesome. I'm using 60 grit right now. I'm expecting a delivery of 40 grit. I'm expecting a delivery of 40 grit today, just to get the real heavy stuff off, because this is original color. Then it was original color. Then white on top of that. Then primer. Then some good top coat paint, and then the house paint on top of that. So got a lot of sanding to do. But I gotta pull all these off, the front light, and then just start gutting this thing out. So we went and picked it up, and one of those tires are like cracked to shit, and the other tire came right off the rim. So we just put it up on dollies, put the whole thing up on dollies, then went to Princess Auto in Scarborough, and these were on sale for $40 each, so I bought 3 of them. But the trailer's mint. For what I paid for this boat, I could sell the trailer for that. And if anybody knows where I can get a prop for an old Chrysler, it's gonna need one of those, because this one is absolutely chewed and dinged. Could probably bend a little bit of it back and be good for now, I guess, but nah, we'll just get a new prop. But yeah, she's got loads of compression. She's neutral right now, but loads of compression. I already pulled the bottom plug, no water come out, so that's good. The dog that slides in between for forward and reverse is solid. So yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of work, but I think it'll be an awesome project. But yeah, hopefully in 2 weeks it'll be water ready. All right, cheers guys. Thanks for sticking around, man. You know, like, I just been working my ass off and really nothing to video. You know, like, got a shit box in the shop there. Guy doesn't know what he wants to do with it. But yeah, other than that, just playing and work. Been killing myself at work. All right, cheers guys. Thanks again.